Then she
Oh,
had
hey,
2 hours.
Alan, we need to finish that Spanish project we were working on.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Yeah, I've gone over. I should have told you.
It's
that's
fine.
done. Cool.
Give your book. What's to shoot?
Shoot, I believe.
So he shot him would be. Oh God!
Careful. Alan! Oh, gee, Alan, did I do this to you?
Yeah, you pushed me down the stairs.
Come on, we're gonna die. Yeah, I think they're all locked though. Alright, here.
It's locked. Okay.
He knows we're in here. What good is a locked door gonna do to us?
Barricade the door. Push stuff against it.
Well, I mean, we're done. There's nothing we can do. We're barricaded in here. He's gonna find us, and we're done. I'm gonna throw up, and we're gonna be stuck here, and he's gonna. I mean, there's no point. Okay, we should just go out there and let him kill us right now, because that's all that's gonna happen.
It's not your fault, Peter.
That's it. That's it. There's nothing we can do.